A very good morning to one and all present here. Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Anthony De Silva, President Sheikh Irfan will not be something you have to deserve. It's something you must naturally have. Something that no one can take away from you. Let's celebrate freedom. A very good morning to one and all present here. Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Anthony De Silva, President Sheikh Irfan, members of Mufidul Muslimin Youth Organization, parents and my dear friends. Today on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, I extend my warm greeting to you all. On this day, our India got independence and I dream of living in an independent country where we will witness the unfurling of our national flag. Kindly request our today's chief guest to do the honor. Stand up. All to repeat after Shanu for pledge.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians, are my brothers and sisters.
Now I request Mr. Sir to introduce our today's chief guest.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Today we have amongst us a distinguished guest, our chief guest, Mr. Anthony De Silva. And we know Anthony De Silva right from the beginning when Mufidul Muslimin, when we started it in 2001. He has been instrumental in whatever programs we undertook. And also he is a well-known social activist of Goa. He takes a lot of issues of Goa connecting and works on that and makes awareness about it. I remember our meeting with Mr. Anthony De Silva was in Madel. It was a coincidence, and this coincidence meeting grew into a friendship. And I remember when we started with the educational programs of Mufidul Muslimin, it may be career guidance, it may be a felicitation program of meritorious students. Mr. Anthony was in the forefront. And when we started with the free coaching classes in different parts of South Goa, I remember in Chandravado, I remember in Fatwada, then in Housing Board, then in Birla, Zuari Nagar, everywhere, Sir Anthony did not say, I'm not available. He was always available for our programs. And such a personality is today with us. And it is a privilege to have Mr. Anthony De Silva with us to grace this occasion. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart for gracing our occasion. Thank you very much.
Now I request President of Asra, Irfan Sir, to kindly offer a token of appreciation to our today's chief guest.
हरे أشهد أن لا हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। जन्मभूमि
सगळ्यात म्हज्या कडल्यान शुभ सकाळ। आयज आमच्या समोर आशिल्ल्या माननीय मिस्टर एंथनी डिसिल्वा, आसरांतले प्रेसिडेंट शेख इरफान, मुफद्दील मुसलमान यूथ ऑर्गनायझेशन हातूंतले मेंबर्स, म्हजी मोगाळ भुरगीं, म्हजे कलीग आनी
ये भाई साहब ने इतनी बढ़िया स्पीच दिया तो मेरा तो बार थोड़ा ऊपर करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन मैं बार ऊपर नहीं करूँगा, थोड़ी बेहतरीन। Can I speak to you in English?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, let me congratulate the children who have performed here. It was just awesome. I will not waste time on calling each one of you and trying to appreciate your presence. But one thing for all the children, when they came here, I was trying to identify who's that Muslim boy in that. You are the Muslim boy. Who's that Hindu boy in that? Who is the Christian boy in that? Who is that Hindu boy? What's your name, beta? आपका नाम क्या? अरमान, आपका नाम क्या है? अबीद, अब्दुल्ला। ये तो सब बच्चे लोग मुस्लिम हैं, लेकिन इधर तो पहचान नहीं पड़े हमें। प्रॉब्लम हो गया हमको। मैं बहुत खुश हो गया कि एक पादरी आ गया, चलो हमारा क्रिश्चियन लड़का है। नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है। Things don't turn up like that. See, there was one dialogue, I think probably it was Nana Patekar, in one movie, वो एक आदमी का कुछ उंगली काटता है, खून उधर बह लेता है, और बोलते हैं, पूछते हैं उसको, बोलो ये खून किसका है? ये हिंदू का है कि मुसलमान का है? ये सही बात है, it is perfectly right. India got independence not based on religion. India never got freedom because of religion, whether it is Hindu, Muslim or Christian. Percentage wise, the number of people who have sacrificed, I'm on record, is, if not better, it is as good as the Hindus and Christians, what the Muslims have also committed. See, the number of population of this Indian country at that time the Muslim population or the Christian population was very less compared to the Hindu majority as such. So the point I want to give, it is not based on religion. But after 76 years completion, now हर आदमी खड़ा होता है, बोलता है हमको हिंदुत्व बनाना है, हिंदुस्तान करके उसको टैग करना है. क्यों हिंदुस्तान टैग क्यों करना है? Diversity in India is, ours is the only country which is known by probably 3 different names. India, Bharat, Hindustan. There is diversity in even the name of my country. There is diversity in clothes. मैं अगर किसी से पूछूं चाइनीज लोग कैसे दिखते हैं ना, मैं ऐसा ही चौक लेके उसको ड्राइंग कर सकता है. मेरे को कोई पूछे ना कि भाई मोरक्कन कैसा दिखता है या अरब लोग कैसे दिखते हैं, बहुत इजी है. मेरे को ऐसा कोई आर्टिस्ट बताओ जो हिंदुस्तानी लोगों को, इंडियन लोगों को, भारतीय लोगों को एक ड्राइंग में अगर वो ड्राइंग कर सकता है ना, मैं कुछ भी देने के लिए हाजिर हूं. इतनी मासूम है. देखो ना हम लोग के लिए, हिंदुस्तान के लिए क्या जोश है. लुक एट दैट enthusiasm for celebrating this occasion. You have to see the work that is being put, and I have been a witness to all the works in the last 22 years of this community in the field of medical, in the field of education, in the field of awareness, in the field of environment. मैं खुद I am a witness. I used to tell इफ्तियाज one day, चाहे आप 100 लोगों के बीच में भी नीचे गिरेगा ना, मैं तो आऊंगा आपको उठाने के लिए. जिसमें मैं वर्ड्स की we can do it, why we all cannot? So, only thing I want to tell the people of this country, my nation, tell the people of my state, Goa, and tell the people of this community, there is no India without all the communities who fought for the freedom of this country. बहुत बगाल जाओ, किसी के बाप की जागीर नहीं है, हिंदुस्तान हमारा है. This India belongs to me as much as belongs to them. So thank you very much. देव बरे करो. Jai Hind, Jai Goa.